Happy days, everyone. This is Glen here with the proud owner of Good Works Auto Repair. Been here in Tempe, Arizona for 21 years, and I'm proud to say that we take care of people's cars the way they should be taken care of. Today I'm going to talk briefly on filters. In the dash of your vehicle, there is what they call a cabin air filter, and this takes air in from the outside, and as you can see, they get clogged up with debris. And the engine has to work, and the air conditioning system and the blower has to work extra hard to try to pull the air through this filter and get the air to you. So if you notice that your air conditioner is not blowing as hard as it needs to, probably no one has checked the cabin air filter in a long time. These should be changed probably at least every 6 months to a year, depending how much you drive. And it'll keep the air in your car. Imagine breathing some of the junk. It's trapped in there, but you're still getting microparticles from the debris that's trapped in these filters. I'm going to show you another type of filter. This is actually from a Prius. It's the air filter for the engine. And as you can see, it's doing a great job of trapping all that debris in there. But just like anything, if you're breathing with something over your mouth and it's impeding your ability to breathe properly, that's exactly what happens. So what happens is you get less air coming into your vehicle's engine, and that will cause you to, overfuel, have other problems. It can even create a check engine light if you're not getting enough air, because it's an air-fuel mixture that goes into the engine and allows the combustion process to take care of to keep that engine running. So really important. These should be changed at least, depending on how much you drive, every 6 months to a year. We check them every time you come into Good Works Auto Repair to make sure that they're in good working condition. This will save you a lot of miles per gallon as well. Even though Prius is very fuel efficient, this could, make it lose up to 5 miles to the gallon. So it's really important to get those filters changed. Have yourself a great day. Get your filters changed. Make sure that whatever service place you're going to, that they're checking these filters and replacing them as needed. Thank you.